Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts, how to set them up and how they work. So let's go to the settings wheel here. We're going to click on settings. I'm going to go under the general tab, scroll down to where you see keyboard shortcuts. And it says keyboard shortcuts off. We're going to turn it on by clicking keyboard shortcuts on. Scroll down to the bottom, save your changes. Then go back to the settings wheel, go to settings, click advanced, and what we need to do is turn on or enable keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to enable it here, hit save changes. It's going to save it and kick you off of the menu and reload Gmail. And what it's going to do is it's going to, if we go back into settings again, it's going to have a new tab called keyboard shortcuts. So now if I hit C, it composes a message. If I hit I, it kicks me out of the settings and takes me to inbox. So let's go back to settings again. Keyboard shortcuts. This is a really cool feature because it makes it really easy to move around Gmail. So let's start at the top and then we can go from there. So to compose a message, you hit C. To compose in a tab, hit D. Now I'm using Firefox and I'm prevented, but I'm going to allow Gmail to do that. So let's try this again. So if I hit D, it'll let me compose a message there. And what you can do is you can drag this out, double click it to put the window here, or if you have another screen, which I have 3 of them, I can drag it over here. You're not going to see this, but then you can compose the message in another page, okay? Another monitor, I should say. I'm going to close that. Search mail, I'm going to hit the backslash. It just pops that up. Back to thread list, hit U. Okay, newer conversation, hit K. Older conversation, hit J. Select conversation, hit X. Toggle star rotating among superstars, S. None of these work in this window. Reply, nothing. Go to drafts. That's pretty cool. Okay, let me go back again. Forward a new window. Search chat contacts. Go to inbox. We've done that one. If you hit I, it'll kick us off. GS, go to starred conversations. We don't have any right now, but it would kick you right there. GT goes to sent messages. GD goes to drafts. Go to all mail is GA. Go to contacts, GC. Let's try that one. That worked. Cool. Move focus to toolbar. Select all conversations. Deselect. Select read conversations. There's a lot of stuff here. This is a cool one because mark as read. It looks like an L. So how about I do R? And then I do U for unread. How about a capital R? Okay, let's try that. So I'm going to go down here. Okay, so I have this twice. Let me see where I put it. We'll do RE for reply in a new window. Okay, so I'm going to email myself real quick. So let's do this. Test. Okay, so we're going to get a message here. And if you hit R, sorry, turn your caps on. It doesn't work. Okay, how about unread? There you go, that worked. When I hit the U, then it moved it from unread. Okay, let me delete this real quick. And then let's go back and go over the rest of them real quick. Okay, so, oh, it changed it back. That's why it didn't work. Okay, so, let's do R, and this one will be RE. Let's see if it'll let me save it. It won't, that's fine. But you get the idea. This is very cool. You can snooze, you can go to inbox selection, mark as important. That's kind of a cool feature too. Open the phone, open phone, focus on the conversation list, show hangout request, show archive hangouts, show menu, add conversations. Now what I'm going to do is restore this to the defaults. If it lets me, let's try that again. Okay, let me save the changes. And I will make this a reference guide. So you can use this as it is, and you can certainly change it, but you need to go through the steps that we talked about to be able to change the shortcuts. So there you go. This is a really cool feature, and very excited to show you this. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.